Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove shows from the Continue Watching section on Disney+. Let's get started. If you're wondering how to clear a show from the Continue Watching row, it's actually pretty simple. The first thing you'll need to do is open up the Disney+ app on your mobile device. Once you're in the app, select your profile. From there, scroll down a little until you find the Continue Watching section. You should see a list of shows you've been watching. To remove a show, just tap the three-dot icon next to the title and select Remove from Continue Watching. This will instantly remove the show from that list. If you go to the My Space section of the app, you'll also see the Continue Watching row. Again, tap the three dots next to a show and select Remove from Continue Watching to clear it. Once you do that, the show will be removed. And when you go back to the home screen, you'll see that the Continue Watching section has been updated and no longer includes that show. That's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. Be sure to check out our next video.